Welcome to eCreators Computer Institute. Here we are going to start our new batches. If you want to enroll yourself for online classes as well as offline classes, then you can directly contact on these numbers, or even if you want to visit, then you can visit it. Okay, then let's start. Here I am going to start the journey of Tally. Let's start with the Tally concepts. So first of all, the very first step is to create company. So I'm just creating company. So here you can see that we have filled all the data of eCreators Computer Institute. I have created the company with name eCreator Computer Institute. Then you have to fill all complete data that I have filled. And you can see here base, currency symbol, formal name. These all are what? These all are description in which you are going to deal it. Okay. See, financial year begins from, that means financial year is all about 1st of April to 31st March. So here we are doing the transaction of 1st of April to 2021 to 31st March 2022. Books beginning, generally if you are going to start your transaction from 1st of April, then generally it is you are going to maintain your books from the same day, but it could be different. It depends on your company that when you are going to start to maintain your books. For set Tally Vault password, if you want to save as in your password here, then you can put here by putting yes. And the very important thing is this: if you forget your data, if you forget your password, then please forget your data as well, because you cannot recover your password here. It's an drawback for this. So I'm just accepting by all the data whichever I have filed with the Control A. So my company is created. Whatever you can see here, something is yes and something is no. So by default is yes. So we will do step by step. Whatever is yes, that means it will come under your basic Tally. So we will move on to basic to advanced and then again complete Tally. So yes, I am just accepting. It's an all feature, and feature will remain same for all over the Tally. So now it's a gateway of Tally, and the company, data exchange, import export, you can see each and everything here. So whatever is the you can see here, it's all about the Tally components, and it's an gateway. All Tally summarized in this gateway of Tally. So whatever is you can see here, that means it is enabled, and whatever is not enabled, so you will be enable it further and we'll see the changes. So now